guys, this is the Investment Venturer, and welcome to the Investor Next Door podcast. Today, we'll be diving into investing in AI and how some companies use AI in their business models. I should let you guys know that anything said on this podcast should be used for information and entertainment purposes only. This is not investment advice, and I do not recommend diving into any project or trying any strategy without doing your own research first. Investing in artificial intelligence, AI, can be a lucrative opportunity, but like any investment, it carries risks and requires a solid understanding of the space. Here's a breakdown to help guide you. Why invest in AI? AI is rapidly transforming industries including healthcare, finance, manufacturing, transportation, and entertainment. Key drivers include explosive data growth, fueling machine learning, increased computing power, GPUs cloud, enterprise adoption of automation and analytics, consumer tech evolution, smart assistants, AI photography, etc. Ways to invest in AI. Public stocks. These are established companies that use or develop AI. Here are some tech giants and how they use AI. NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. NVIDIA Corporation uses artificial intelligence, AI, in several key ways across its products, services, and internal operations. AI hardware, GPUs and accelerators. NVIDIA is best known for designing graphics processing units, GPUs, that are widely used in AI workloads. NVIDIA GPUs, like the A100, H100, and RTX series, are the backbone of many AI training and inference systems. Tensor cores, introduced with the Volta architecture, are specialized hardware units designed to accelerate deep learning operations. NVIDIA Grace Hopper superchips integrate CPU and GPU specifically for large-scale AI models. Artificial intelligence software platforms. NVIDIA provides a suite of AI software frameworks and libraries. CUDA, a parallel computing platform and programming model for general computing on GPUs. CUDNN, GPU accelerated library for deep neural networks. TensorRT, optimizes deep learning inference for speed and efficiency. NVIDIA AI Enterprise, a suite of tools for developing and deploying AI solutions in business environments. Generative AI and LLMs. NVIDIA powers many of the large language models, LLMs, and generative AI systems, works with partners like OpenAI, Google, and Meta to train massive AI models on its GPU infrastructure. Offers NIMs, NVIDIA Inference Microservices, for LLMs and other AI services, including optimized versions of popular open models like Llama, Mistral, Mixtral. Provides APIs and frameworks for deploying LLMs efficiently in cloud and edge environments. AI in autonomous machines. NVIDIA uses AI in robotics and autonomous driving. NVIDIA Drive, a platform for autonomous vehicles, using AI for perception, path planning, and control. Isaac Platform enables simulation, training, and deployment of AI-powered robots. Artificial intelligence in graphics and simulation. AI is embedded into NVIDIA's core graphics and simulation technologies. DLSS, Deep Learning Supersampling, uses AI to upscale lower-resolution images for high-performance gaming. Omniverse, a 3D collaboration and simulation platform that uses AI for realistic rendering, physics, and digital twin simulations. Artificial intelligence in healthcare. NVIDIA applies AI in healthcare via Clara, a platform for AI-powered medical imaging, genomics, and drug discovery. Partnerships with hospitals and researchers to build AI models for diagnostics and treatment planning. AI research. NVIDIA maintains a strong AI research division. Publishes papers in areas like computer vision, generative AI, reinforcement learning, and robotics. contributes to open source projects and collaborates with academia and industry. Alphabet/Google, ticker symbol, GOOGL, Google uses AI extensively across its products, services, infrastructure, and research. It's a foundational part of the company's operations and strategy. Artificial intelligence in consumer products. Google integrates AI into nearly all of its consumer-facing services. Search. AI algorithms like BERT and MUM, Multitask Unified Model, help Google Search understand natural language and context better. Helps with query understanding, ranking results, and summarizing content. Google Assistant. Uses AI for voice recognition, natural language understanding, NLU, and text-to-speech. Responds to queries, sets reminders, controls smart devices, etc. Email Gmail. Smart Compose and Smart Reply use AI to suggest email completions and responses. Spam detection and filtering use machine learning. Google Photos. AI powers facial recognition, automatic photo categorization, object detection, and search. Magic Eraser and other editing tools use generative AI for enhancements. Google Maps. AI predicts traffic, suggests routes, identifies businesses, and adds real-time updates like crowding or delays. AR navigation and live view use computer vision AI. AI in cloud services, Google Cloud AI. Google provides AI tools and infrastructure to businesses through Google Cloud AI Vertex AI, a managed platform to train, deploy, and manage ML models. Generative AI Studio, tools to build apps using large language models, Palm Gemini. Pre-trained APIs for speech-to-text, vision, translation, etc. Generative AI and large language models. Google is a leader in developing foundation models. Gemini, Google's flagship family of multimodal AI models, text, image, audio, video. Gemini is integrated across Workspace, Docs, Sheets, Gmail, through a toolset called Duet AI. Gemini also powers Bard, now rebranded in many contexts as Gemini Assistant. AI in YouTube. AI recommends videos, filters harmful content, generates automatic captions, and flags violations. Experiments with generative AI tools for creators, for example, video summaries, dubbing, effects. AI in Android and Pixel devices. On-device AI enables speech recognition, Gboard, photography enhancements, Pixel camera, and adaptive battery optimization. Features like now playing call screen, recorder transcription, and photo unblur use AI. Artificial intelligence in ads and marketing. Machine learning optimizes ad placement, bidding, targeting, and performance tracking. AI creates variations of ad copy and personalizes content delivery. AI in research, Google DeepMind and Google Research. DeepMind, owned by Alphabet, developed AlphaGo, AlphaFold, and Gemini models. Google Research advances AI in areas like natural language processing, computer vision, quantum computing, and robotics. Contributes heavily to open-source tools like TensorFlow and JAX. AI for social good. AI for social good. Initiatives tackle global challenges, predicting floods and earthquakes, monitoring endangered species with computer vision, diagnosing diseases from medical images. Microsoft ticker symbol, MSFT. Microsoft uses AI extensively across its ecosystem, from consumer products to enterprise software, cloud infrastructure, and research. AI in Microsoft products. Copilot, AI assistants. Microsoft has embedded AI-powered Copilot experiences into nearly all of its major products. Microsoft 365 Copilot, Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, Drafts emails, generates summaries, creates presentations, analyzes Excel data, and more. Powered by large language models, LLMs, such as OpenAI's GPT-4 and Microsoft's own models. GitHub Copilot uses AI to assist developers by suggesting code, completing functions, and even generating entire modules. Powered by models like Codex from OpenAI. Bing and Edge, search plus browsing. Bing Chat, now part of Copilot for Web. Conversational AI experience embedded in Bing and Microsoft Edge. Provides AI-generated answers, image creation, code writing, and research tools using OpenAI's GPT-4. Microsoft Teams. AI handles real-time transcription, live translations, meeting summaries, and speaker recognition. Features like intelligent recap and follow-ups help users stay on track. Azure AI Cloud Platform. Microsoft Azure is a full-fledged AI platform for developers and businesses. Azure AI Services. Pre-built AI APIs, speech-to-text, translation, computer vision, OCR, anomaly detection, etc. Custom model building through Azure Machine Learning. Azure OpenAI Service gives customers access to GPT-4, Codex, and DALL-E models via API. Enterprise AI integration helps companies deploy AI for customer service, fraud detection, predictive maintenance, and more. Uses responsible AI tools and governance frameworks. Partnership with OpenAI. Microsoft is OpenAI's biggest investor and partner, integrated GPT-4, DALL-E, and Codex into Azure via the Azure OpenAI service. Co-developed the infrastructure used to train and serve OpenAI's models. Bing, Office, and other Microsoft products use OpenAI models under the hood. Artificial intelligence in security and operations. Microsoft Defender uses AI for real-time threat detection, malware analysis, and incident response. Security Copilot provides cybersecurity professionals with generative AI-powered analysis tools. AI in accessibility and inclusion. Tools like Seeing AI, Immersive Reader, Live Captions, and Translator use AI to improve accessibility for users with disabilities. AI-powered features help non-native speakers and visually impaired users engage more fully with digital content. AI research. Microsoft Research leads innovation in AI and collaborates closely with OpenAI and academic institutions. Focus areas include natural language processing, computer vision, reinforcement learning, and responsible AI. Developed early models like Turing NLG and contributed to open-source libraries and frameworks. AI in gaming, Xbox plus game dev. AI is used in game development for NPC behavior, procedural generation, voice synthesis, and player analytics. Xbox may integrate AI to enhance user experience, recommendations, and real-time translation. Amazon ticker symbol AMZN, AI in e-commerce, Amazon.com. Product recommendations. Uses machine learning to analyze user behavior, browsing history, purchases, and preferences. Powers. Customers who bought this also bought, and personalized product suggestions. Search and ranking. AI improves search relevance by understanding natural language queries, synonyms, misspellings, and intent. Algorithms dynamically reorder search results based on user interaction and context. Visual search. Amazon Style Snap. Shoppers can upload photos and AI finds visually similar products. Image recognition also supports product tagging and automatic categorization. Artificial intelligence in logistics and operations. Forecasting and inventory management. Machine learning predicts demand, optimizes inventory placement, and reduces waste. AI-driven systems ensure warehouses are stocked with the right items at the right time. Warehouse robotics, Amazon robotics. Robots use AI for navigation, sorting, packing, and item retrieval. AI manages dynamic bin locations and path optimization in fulfillment centers. Delivery and routing. AI optimizes delivery routes for speed and efficiency, predicts delays and adjusts in real time using weather, traffic, and package data. AWS, Amazon Web Services, Cloud AI Services. Amazon provides powerful AI/ML tools for developers and businesses through AWS, pre-trained AI services. Amazon Recognition, image and facial recognition. Amazon Poly, text-to-speech synthesis. Amazon Transcribe, speech-to-text. Amazon Comprehend, natural language understanding. Amazon Translate, language translation. SageMaker, a full-service ML platform for building, training, and deploying custom models. Supports use of LLMs, generative AI, computer vision, and tabular models. Bedrock, a fully managed service to access foundation models like Anthropic's Claude, Meta's Llama, and Amazon's Titan models. Makes it easy to build generative AI apps without managing infrastructure. AI in Alexa and devices. Alexa, voice assistant. Uses AI for speech recognition, natural language processing, NLP, and contextual understanding. Can perform tasks, answer questions, and control smart home devices. Ongoing improvements in multi-turn conversations, emotion detection, and personalization. Smart devices. AI powers features in Echo, Ring, Fire TV, and Kindle devices. Example, Ring's motion detection and package detection use computer vision. Artificial intelligence in fraud detection and risk management. AI models detect suspicious transactions, fake reviews, account takeovers, and policy violations. Powers tools like review authenticity filters and real-time fraud detection for payments. Amazon AI Research. Amazon has dedicated AI research teams, for example, Amazon Science, Alexa AI, Amazon Lab 126. Research includes LLMs, robotics, computer vision, recommendation systems, and optimization. I in physical retail, Amazon Go, Amazon Fresh. Just Walkout technology uses computer vision, sensor fusion, and deep learning. Tracks what customers pick up and bills them automatically, no checkout required. Meta ticker symbol, META, Meta, formerly Facebook, uses AI extensively across nearly every part of its business. Content personalization. Newsfeed and Reels. AI recommends posts, videos, and stories based on what you like, comment on, or watch. It constantly learns from your behavior to show more relevant content. Ads. Meta uses AI to predict which ads you're likely to engage with. This helps advertisers target the right audiences and improves ad performance. Content moderation. Hate speech and misinformation. Detection. AI models scan posts, comments, and videos to detect harmful content, like hate speech, nudity, fake news. Proactive detection. AI flags content before it's reported by users, often removing violating posts within seconds. Generative AI tools. Meta AI assistants. Tools like Meta AI, available in Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, help users get answers, write messages, summarize chats, and more. Image and video generation. Meta is working on tools like Emu, which can generate images from text or edit photos using natural language prompts. Audio and speech. AI powers automatic captions, language translation, and even voice synthesis. Virtual and augmented reality, VR/AR. AI in the metaverse. In products like Horizon Worlds and MetaQuest, AI helps create realistic avatars, understand voice commands, and generate 3D environments. Hand tracking and gesture recognition. AI interprets hand and body movements to allow users to interact naturally with VR environments. Research and development. FAIR, Facebook AI Research. Meta runs one of the largest AI research labs in the world, working on areas like computer vision, natural language processing, robotics, and open-source models. For example, Llama large language models. Open-source AI. Meta often releases its AI tools and models publicly, e.g. Segment Anything, PyTorch, Llama, contributing to the broader AI community. Accessibility. Alt text for images. AI automatically generates descriptions for photos so visually impaired users can understand visual content. Live captions, real-time transcription of videos or video calls using speech recognition. Internal use. Productivity tools. Meta uses AI to assist engineers and employees, such as code generation, summarizing meetings, and automating workflows. AI-heavy startups that IPO'd: Palantir, PLTR, Big Data and AI Analytics. C3.ai, AI, Enterprise AI Software. We will do an in-depth episode on AI-heavy startups in the future, so be sure to stay tuned. ETFs, Exchange-Traded Funds. Safer Diversified Exposure. Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, BOTZ. iShares Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, IRBO. Venture Capital and Private Equity. Higher risk, higher reward, usually limited to accredited investors. Example, investing in early-stage AI startups, for example via AngelList or Seed Invest. Indirect exposure. Companies not purely AI but heavily investing in it. Tesla, autonomous driving. IBM, Watson. Salesforce, AI for CRM. Trends to watch. Generative AI, e.g. OpenAI, Anthropic. AI in biotech, drug discovery. Autonomous vehicles, Edge AI, AI, chips and devices. Regulatory and ethical AI frameworks. Risks. Valuation bubbles. AI hype may outpace real earnings. Regulatory changes, technological obsolescence, high competition, startups versus giants. Tips before investing. Understand the business model and AI use case. Follow AI news and research papers. Balance risk. Don't overexpose to one theme or company. Consider AI's impact across sectors, not just in core tech. Let's now discuss why companies like TSMC and ASML are crucial to the AI sector. TSMC and ASML are foundational players in the global semiconductor industry, and they are crucial to the AI boom, even if they aren't building AI models themselves. Here's what they do. TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. What they do. TSMC is the world's largest contract chip manufacturer of foundry. They don't design chips, they manufacture them for companies like Apple, A-series and M-series chips, AMD and NVIDIA for AI GPUs like the H100. Qualcomm. They specialize in leading-edge nodes, e.g. 5 nanometers, 3 nanometers, which are essential for high-performance chips used in AI, mobile, and servers. Why TSMC matters for AI. AI chips require extreme performance and efficiency. TSMC is virtually the only company, along with Samsung, capable of producing the world's most advanced chips at scale. Without TSMC, companies like NVIDIA couldn't deliver their AI chips. ASML, advanced semiconductor materials lithography. What they do: ASML is a Dutch company that makes lithography machines, which are essential tools used in the chip manufacturing process. Specifically, they build EUV, extreme ultraviolet lithography machines. These are the only machines in the world that can produce the most advanced chips, like 5 nanometers and below. Why ASML matters for AI: cutting-edge AI chips used in data centers and model training can't be made without EUV. ASML is the only company that makes EUV machines. Each costs $150 million plus and takes months to build. Their machines are used by TSMC, Intel, Samsung, and others to build next-gen chips. Thank you for listening to my podcast. Be sure to subscribe to the Investor Next Door podcast on your favorite podcast listener. If you're watching on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe for future episodes. Follow me on social media to stay updated. Twitter X @InvestNDPod. Instagram @InvestNDPod. Share this episode with your friends if you've learned something valuable from this podcast, and I'll see you guys next time.